Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to copy one or more physical elements from one level to another using SCADA Pro. Before we begin, it is important to clarify that this procedure applies exclusively to physical cross-sections and is intended for use before the creation of the mathematical model. Therefore, to perform the copy operation, we select the corresponding command and then choose the objects you wish to copy. The selection can be made either individually or collectively using a selection window, as well as at the level of an entire floor. To select elements individually or collectively, activate the copy command and select the members you wish to copy. Once the selection is complete, as indicated on the lower left corner of the screen, right-click to finalize the selection process. Next, define the reference points, specifying the point from which the elements will be copied and the point where they will be placed. Using the left click and the available snap functions, select a characteristic point of the structure, such as the column corner or a beam end, which will serve as the initial reference point. Then navigate to the target level using the level change arrows and select the corresponding reference point that will define the new location of the elements. Once the process is completed, the selected physical elements are copied to the new level, maintaining their geometry and their position relative to the reference point that was defined. Finally, by selecting Copy Level, you can copy the entire level on which you are currently working on, and by selecting Paste Level, transfer it to another level. However, since only physical members are transferred, it is not possible to copy slabs that have already been defined onto the original level. Therefore, their identification must be done again for each new level. Thank you for watching this video. For further technical guidance, clarifications, or answers to any additional questions, the ACE team is always available to support you.